Mama. Double the money is double the wedding and double the gas or double the Getty. I'm on for the bench. I told him I'm ready. If I get the blicky, I'm calling it Betty so I can do petty things. Like shoot the diamond off a wedding ring.
To my channel, Kendra JC, and I am Kendra. On this video, I'm going to show you how to install Microlinks. So with this, I am installing Microlinks using WEFs. So the WEFs are virgin Vietnamese wavy hair from my website, Styles by Kendra. I will leave the link below if you want to purchase. And I'm going to show you two different ways to install them. You can let me know which way you feel like is the best. You can sleep in it, you can wash and shampoo, you can shampoo and condition your hair like normal. I do not. For me, it's much easier to just take it out and just, rather than doing it all together. Let me know if you want me to do a video on how I take the links out and take out the WEFs. It's really, really simple. The tools, I got everything from Amazon. The hair, like I said, I got from my website. Let me know what you thought, what you think about it, which methods you think is the best. And even tag me and let me know if you tried to do this on yourself or even if you tried it on someone else. I will leave my Instagram below too. My Instagram is also Kendra JC. So I think that is it. This is the look. I absolutely love it. I love the versatility. I love how natural it looks. And it's extremely light, just giving it a little bit of a break from the wigs for a little bit. And I love that I can still put my wig on too if I decide to switch it up for like just a day or two. I can just still slick my hair back and put my wig on. That is also an option. All right, so I'm gonna let you just go ahead and get into this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and let me know what you think of the video. Thank you. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use the Vietnamese bundles from stylesbykendra.com. This is a Vietnamese natural wave. I'm going to use two bundles. We need our needle, shares, and our beads. Okay, so let us start off by sectioning our hair. What we're going to do is we're going to take the needle and we're going to take the bead. We're going to take the weft, and since I want it laying down, it's going to be like that. So the weft's on the inside, flip over inside, put the bead on, and we're going to stick this through the weft. So like this. It says through the weft, bead, And then what you're gonna do, put your hair on the hook, seal it, pull it through like that, and then the weft will be on your hair. And then you close this and your track is laid.
I'm interested in cash. All I want is your pride. The loser wears the bitch bun.
Well, I hope it comes in your size, because your head's kind of big.
Oh, I know you ain't clowning with that Nipsey Russell natural.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you a different method. Next back. So now I'm doing the top. So right there. Bring it around, down. I want this like around the same space. So when I pull it up, it covers. So right here. And then I'm going to double the weft. Like such. Let us confirm. There. Yeah. Position, position. So I want this here, like right there. Right. Then position the back. So this method, and now I'm showing you this method. Taking 2 pieces from each weft, from there, there, and I'm taking some of my hair, like such. Pull it through. Taking the bead, pulling the hair through, pulling the hair through. See? So I don't want the bead up like this, because then when I'm combing my hair down or pulling my hair back, this bead is going to show. So what I'm aiming to do, I want this bead to be a little bit like going back so that I can hide it behind my hair. And then when I pull my hair back, it can be covered. And when it's down, it's not like poking. So I want it to be like, just like with the, aligned with the weft. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying. So with the bead aligned with the weft. And then not too tight, because you don't want to cause any bald spots. And then we're just going to squeeze. That's it. Look. Good. Now we're just gonna do that a few more times. All right, so this is the finished look. I had to get dressed, you know, so the look can all come together. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. Love, love, love. Back. The side. I'm going to put a little bit of shine. Just to shine it up a little bit. So I have the links right here. So I'm going to show you, I can do my normal styles that I do. Something like that, you know. And then, this dress is not helping, but pull it up. Cute. I have to put some earrings on. Then we have this. My bun that I always do. I don't know if I got some little B2Bs back there, but ignore those. Okay, that's it.